Have you ever found yourself with a cough that just will not quit, wondering if it is just a common annoyance or something more serious like the flu? It is common to experience a persistent dry cough, which can be quite bothersome. Yes, a persistent dry cough can absolutely be a sign of influenza, commonly known as the flu. While it is a very common symptom, it is typically part of a larger cluster of symptoms that help differentiate the flu from other illnesses. The flu virus often triggers an inflammatory response in your respiratory tract, leading to irritation that results in a dry, hacking cough. And like a wet or productive cough that brings up mucus, a dry cough from the flu usually indicates irritation of the airways. It is important to remember that many other conditions, such as the common cold, allergies, or even environmental irritants, can also cause a dry cough. What often sets flu apart is the sudden onset of additional symptoms like a high fever, body aches, extreme fatigue, and chills. These symptoms tend to hit you all at once and feel much more severe than a typical cold. To better understand if your dry cough is flu-related, pay close attention to your other symptoms and how quickly they appeared. If your cough is accompanied by a sudden high fever, generalized body aches, and overwhelming tiredness, the flu becomes a much stronger possibility. For an accurate diagnosis and appropriate guidance, it is always best to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if your symptoms are severe or concerning. A key characteristic of flu symptoms, including a dry cough, is their abrupt arrival. You might feel perfectly fine one moment and then suddenly feel quite ill a few hours later. This rapid onset is a distinguishing feature compared to a cold, which typically develops more gradually over several days. Recognizing this sudden change can provide a valuable clue to what you are experiencing. Understanding the nature of your cough, observing accompanying symptoms, and noting their onset can empower you to better assess your situation. If you suspect the flu, especially with a sudden and severe presentation of symptoms, reaching out to your doctor is a wise step to ensure you get the best advice for your health.